Hey, welcome back to another episode of the NorCal Criminal. Today, we're going to do some criminal activity. Let's go see what we can find. Yeah, you want to follow along with me today? Let's see what we can do. Let's look in this truck and see what we can get. Alright, let's see what we can find in here. I don't know. Let's see what we can look for. What's inside this truck? What's inside this truck? Ain't got much. Gym bag, can't do no criminal with the gym bag. Oh no. Let's look over here. What's in here? Oh, coins. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, looky. Looky. Yeah, we got 2 coins, 2 nickels. I think what I'm gonna be doing with these is considered criminal activity. All right.
Oh no, yeah, you did, yeah.
All right, so I had to get my big hammer, man. Gotta hammer this shit, man. Oh yeah, fuck that nickel up. Oh, fucking yeah, that's how you do it. Shit, yeah, pound that shit. Oh yeah, there you go. Hey, gotta do a little drilling on this thing too. Yeah, really need some holes, yeah. What? Oh no, what? Yeah. Alright, so I got my nickels here, but I think the criminal needs to do some magic on these nickels. Got nickels, got tire, run that shit over, find out what comes out the other end. Criminal did her work. Alright, I got those nickels done. Looks pretty good. So if you want to see how I really made those nickels, this is the other part here. Alright, let's do some criminal activity here. Got some nickels, 2 nickels. Got my masking tape. Got my design, how I like it to be. Check it out. What do you guys think of that? Alright. Okay. So what I do is I take my old-fashioned drill. Ooh. What? Oh, I got a drill. Oh, what? Oh, hey. Don't do that at home now. Okay. So you got your drill, right? So you gotta make some holes, right? Do some holes in here. Alright, let's just let's just focus on one for right now. And there it goes. And just keep going. I know people would say, why don't you get a power tool and do that, man? It'd be so much easier. You know, I don't know. Oh no, man, look at, check it out. Oh, now I dropped it. Ooh, with all the holes drilled, you gotta do a little deburring on the back. And what I found a way to do it is taking a drill bit that's bigger and just taking it in your hand. Give it a little spinny spin. Alright, got all holes done. Now it's time to take this saw this little jeweler's saw. Look at this blade. It's all ding, 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 ding. I got broken last time I got used. Yeah, this thing got broken. That's what happens to these blades. You go through them like dime in a dozen. Alright, so I got my nickel on my blade. See where it goes up and down? Woo. Take it like this. Right? And you gotta hold it. Sometimes the bad high is your fingers get fucked up. Okay, so let me get back to cutting this. Nickel says, "Don't cut me, man, don't cut me." Oh, I'm telling you, you're going to be cut. Okay, be back. Let me cut some stuff. All right, let's get to this one. And sometimes this happens. And bam! What you think? Just a little more to go on this one. The last part's always the fucker. Bam, there goes that piece. A little bit of action there. All right, so I got these nickels done, as you can see. Oh, those look dope. Damn, I'm badass. Oh man, these are really nice looking. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And go down and leave a comment. Tell me if you like these nickels or not. One more thing. What I'll do, if you subscribe, I'm going to take everybody's name, put it in a bowl, and every month I'll draw from that bowl and make you a nickel, just like I did just now. Alright, so, gives you an incentive to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And don't do anything I wouldn't do, motherfuckers!